Welcome to the Furniture Mall of Kansas Tips and Tricks. I'm Sarah Williams, visual storyteller, and today we're talking about simple ways to style a bookcase. We're going to start with a clean canvas, so clear off your bookshelf, wipe it down, have a clean slate to work with. The second helpful tip would be to determine your shape or pattern. And today on this shelf, we're going to do an asymmetrical styling, and we'll arrange our items using a hopscotch pattern. So we'll arrange our books around some vintage artwork. All right, so we laid a foundation and created balance and order through a hopscotch pattern. And this can be whatever pattern makes you feel good about your bookcase, but this helps us implement some structure. Next, we'll set our focal points. These great cachet pots are a classic way to anchor the shelving units, and these are at eye level. A great set of candlesticks adds ambiance to the bookshelf. We're gonna gather our collection of books by keeping a cohesive color scheme. So I've got our black ones here up in the corner and some nice blues down here. And we'll use those as risers to help display a collection of beautiful vases. A handful of greens helps to soften the structure. To create unity, keep like items together. Also creates a nice little statement conversation piece. On this built-in, I have a great spot for a place to store extra seating. These great ottomans should do the trick. So today we talked about an easy way to style a bookcase. Step 1, choose your pattern. Step 2, lay a foundation with key focal points. Step 3, fill in with your favorite things. Thanks so much for watching Tips and Tricks. For more tips and tricks, go to FurnitureMallofKansas.com.